Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Ready Steady Mom. Today's recipe is crispy and crunchy broccoli bites. I know most of you don't like broccoli, but hang on guys, you're going to love this recipe once you try it. I have used one full bunch of broccoli, washed and dried it properly and then cut into bite-sized florets. Broccoli is considered as a good source of natural fibers and thus helps prevent constipation. Also, it is an excellent source of vitamin K, C, folates, chromium. It is also associated with lowering the risk of cancer. This recipe is a healthy snacking option for you and your kids. Kids will start loving broccoli once you offer this snack to them. I've used some garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can also use garlic salt. If you don't have any of those, just simply throw some garlic grated or crushed. Parmesan cheese. I've used the grated Parmesan cheese here. Crushed black pepper. Salt. I've used sea salt. You can also use kosher salt or any other salt. Olive oil. Okay, to start with, first of all, preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a very simple recipe where you just need to throw everything in, mix it well and cook it in an oven. Okay, to start with, first of all, I've taken a bigger bowl and added 2 teaspoons of olive oil and half teaspoon of garlic powder to it. Now add some crushed black pepper. Now add your broccoli florets and salt. Make sure you don't use much salt. I have used 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this much of broccoli because Parmesan also has some salt in it and you don't want to make your snack too salty. Now add Parmesan cheese. I have added around 1 tablespoon, but you can add more. Cheese is never more, you can add as much as you like. Now mix it properly and coat each of the floret with all the ingredients. You can see how properly it is coated well. I'm using a baking sheet here. I've sprayed some oil over it and then I've arranged the florets such a way that they are spaced apart. I don't want to overcrowd the sheet. Once the oven is ready, add these florets to it and cook for around 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, take out your broccoli out of the oven and just flip it. You can see it is already cooked from one side and see how crispy it looks. We want our florets to be exactly like that. So we'll cook on the other side. Again, add these broccoli florets to the oven, and this time we are going to cook for 10 more minutes. So after 10 minutes, our broccoli is done and it is well cooked. You can see it is crispy from both the sides and it is the way we wanted. It is ready to be served with any dip of your choice. I like it just like that without any dip, but you can always try it with so many dips. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do like it, please subscribe to my channel and share. Also, hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you guys.